How to activate a Sephora gift card. Follow my instructions. A Sephora gift card is one of the easiest ways to shop for beauty, skincare, and fragrance. But before you can use it, you need to make sure the card is activated. Here's how to do it step by step. If you purchase the card in a Sephora store or from a retailer, it is usually activated at checkout automatically. Make sure to hold on to your receipt. It's your proof of purchase if there's ever an issue. For digital gift cards bought online, activation happens instantly once you receive the email. To confirm activation, open the Sephora website or mobile app. Log into your account and go to the gift cards or wallet section. Enter the card number and the PIN found on the back of the card or in your email. If the balance shows up, your card is already active and ready to use. If it says inactive or has no balance, contact Sephora customer support with your receipt. They'll help you verify and fix the problem. Once active, you can store the gift card in your Sephora app wallet. When checking out, simply choose gift card as the payment method and your balance will be applied. And that's how you activate and use your Sephora gift card. Thanks for watching.